The earth moves. What the fuck was that? See, that kind of shit normally happens, tornadoes, like in the Midwest, they get fucking flooded out all the time. You ever see the asshole on the news, same guy every year? In a fucking canoe with a pitchfork, a pig, and his fucking wife. And he's sitting there, yeah?
You weren't expecting me.
We weren't expecting it. Now, if the weather guy was from Brooklyn, he'd go, at least get a fucking motorboat. Number one, if a guy's in a canoe in Brooklyn, his wife's never making it into the fucking boat. What the fuck? I told you have dinner ready. We weren't expecting it. And then they're all, well, we're going to have to rebuild the house and replant all the crops.